What if I told you this watch brand used to make cases for Doxa, Heuer, and even Blancpain? Meet Squale. Hey folks, welcome back to the Small Seconds channel. Today we're looking at the Squale Montauk, a Swiss-made diver that combines heritage, quality, and value. This brand was founded in 1959 by Charles von Buren in Switzerland. The word squale, it means shark in French, and this company has a rich history in dive watch manufacturing. They've supplied cases for renowned brands like Blancpain and their 50 Fathoms, Heuer, Doxa, and they were the choice for professional divers and military units, including the Italian Navy's diving corps. Let's check the specs on this puppy. This watch, now in its third revision, comes with 38mm stainless steel case, is 11.5 millimeters thick and 45.8 millimeters lug to lug. The dial on this version is a sunburst blue. It comes with applied indices, has C3 superluminova on the hands and markers. The screw down case back shows the Squale logo, and the screw down crown has another version of the logo on it. All of this is powered by the Swiss Sellita SW200-1 automatic movement. It's housed behind a scratch-resistant sapphire crystal, giving the watch water resistance rating of 300 meters. The watch comes standard on the Von Buren rubber dive strap. I love the keeper on the rubber strap and wish more brands would implement this design idea. So my thoughts on this watch. With its 38mm case, the Montauk offers a vintage-inspired look that's comfortable on the wrist. I find myself going to a bit smaller size these days, and this watch feels like it's a bit more subdued in Squale's lineup. A lot of people love it or hate it with Squale. I kind of love this one. This watch is available only through Long Island, and it seems as Mark has created a relationship with the brand, also offering a Beads of Rice bracelet through Long Island's website. The Beads of Rice bracelet comes with a diver extension, feels pretty quality made, and as you can see from the footage, mine has seen plenty of use. I don't want to risk this video becoming one major ad for Long Island, but this watch was on sale during Black Friday for a steal, so it's worth checking out their website if you want to get this one new. They also have different colorways available. Used, I've seen them from the high 300s to low $400 range, but both bracelets are the highlight of this watch to me. Thanks for watching our review today on the Squale Montauk. Let us know your thoughts on the brand below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. If you want to buy this watch, check our info section below and we'll put a link to Long Island. And if you're interested in a new spring strap for something you already own or picking up maybe just a new watch in general, check out our online store, smallsecondswatchreviews.com. We recently sold our 250th watch, which is a great deal for us, and we're excited to be adding more brands monthly. Cheers, have an awesome day.